Alright, today I'm going to install the Ring doorbell. This is the wired doorbell with the Chime. So you can get this monitored if you want to pay for that separately. I think it's like $10 to $20 a month. There's like different plans out there. But this does do 1080p HD video. You can do the two-way talk, live view, all that stuff. You can have it set up to an app, just go into your phone so you know when packages have been delivered, that type of thing. So monitored or unmonitored. Let's see what's in the box. All right, inside the box, all the goodies. Of course, you got your information guide, user guide, which helps you with the install, quick start guide for when you're ready to work with the apps, to get your apps installed on your phone. You do have the Ring doorbell chime, so it's going to plug into one of your wall outlets. And the cool thing about this is you can add more of these, like if you have a multi-level home, or you can put this wherever you want it, because with this system, just so you know, this is wired to where your original doorbell would be. However, you can see where the wire on the back, you have to install this jumper in your doorbell chime, and I'm going to show all these steps. It's going to disable your old school doorbell chime. That's why you need this. So it's also going to come through your phone if you have the app, which is the whole purpose of this thing, you know, so you can look at the video. It also works with your Alexa. So if you have one of those, inside the kit, you do have the screws, depending on what type of surface you're mounting it into. It does come with inserts in case you need those. And it actually comes with 2 security screws, which you're going to use one of those at the bottom once you're all set and done to keep the faceplate locked in place so no one's tampering with your stuff very easily. And they do include like there's a Torx head, special head there for that security screw. So that's nice, they provide that tool. Find your breaker, flip it. If you don't know, hit the master, you know, that type of thing, but better safe than sorry. All right, locate your doorbell chime. Of course, we've got the power off, and test that before you mess around in here. These covers, they just pop off. Here's what we're looking for right here. This home only has a front doorbell, so you can see the front has a wire to it, and the trans has a wire to it. We're going to install our jumper between the two, keeping the other wires installed. Just want to loosen these up enough to get the jumper in. Jumper. That's one-handed. Snug that back down. Reinstall your cover. All right, I removed that protective plastic. Still has the main protective plastic to peel off the camera doorbell itself, but you want to remove this outer housing. Just kind of push in with your thumb there. Okay, so now that exposes our screw holes, so we can go mount it. But first, we got to remove the old doorbell, put the wires on this one, and then mount it up. All right, and if you're wondering size-wise, here's a comparison to a standard doorbell. So it's still gonna fit nicely, but it is bigger. Okay, time to remove this one, and again, I have it off. Okay. There's our wires, and it's not going to matter which side goes to which terminal. Just transfer them over. All right, transfer the wires, real basic. Just make sure you're wrapping them clockwise and then snug them down. And feed the wires back through. Make sure this guy is setting flush. And then we're gonna install the screws. All right, power back on. All right, I don't know if you caught that, but it was just talking, saying to follow the instructions in the Ring app. So, turned the power back on, came back upstairs, and it may take it a little bit to power on, but seems like mine did it right away. Time to get the, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on, install this screw, security screw, and set the app up. All right. So I just got it set up right there for now. I may move it to another location in the house, but and it's also ringing through on the phone that I'm using to record on. But real easy, just follow your app instructions. I can't show it on the video because I'm setting up my, I had to plug in my Wi-Fi router code and all that stuff, so. But real simple, real easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Ring. I dig this. Boom.